Hey my loves, welcome back to our channel. We are here with another Beauty Forever hair unit, and I am so excited about this one. We are coming through with a 20-inch Brazilian Kinky Upart wig, honey. Okay, so I'm expecting this to be such an easy slay right now. My hair is like freshly blown out. Okay, let's get into this hair. Look how beautiful that is. Okay, she has 3 combs in the front. 1, 2, 3. These are at the top. 1 comb at the bottom, and these are the clips. Excuse me, not the combs. These are the clips. Okay, you put it in, clip it down, and then adjustable straps, Wakanda Forever. This also came with the adjustable band as well. All right, and let's just go ahead and throw her on and see what she's looking like. Now, this is going to be an easy slay. I'm so sure of it. So let's see how fast we can get her together, just for something we can grab and go. All right, guys, let's get on into this bomb Beauty Forever hair unit. Now, this is a Upart wig. It's in the Kinky straight human hair, okay? It's 200% density, and I have her here in 20 inches. Now, she is going for, in 20 inches, $138. I know, but when I mean she is worth every stank, last, raggedy, red cent. Okay. Now, this is her fresh out the pack. Full disclosure, this unit is big. Like, this is really big hair friendly. I'm going to go in and tighten her up a bit, but I wanted to show you guys what she's looking like fresh out. Stunning. Absolutely stunning. I love hair like this because then I don't feel like I have to put heat on my hair in order for it to blend properly. Like, this is my hair, y'all. Look at that. Okay, so this is her fresh out. I'm going to go through and style her up. I think I'm going to add a couple curls to her just to give her like a nice natural vibe. But I want to give you guys her fresh out the pack first. Okay, no heat on the hair. This is her. Let's turn around. And this is 20 inches. All right, and let's just style her up. So I'm just going to go through with my barrel curlers and just give this unit just a little bit of texture. I want to give her a little bit of curl, a bump and a curl, okay? So that's what we're going to go through and do. Now, when I mean to tell you guys, this unit is fire. Like, I've been trying to get away from actually adding heat to my hair like I did just right there. But I'm trying to get away from it. And this unit, I really didn't have to add any heat to. I could have worn my hair just freshly blown out and just kept it moving. I think that this unit is amongst the best Upart wigs I've ever experienced. The texture of this hair is stunning. It's absolutely stunning. It takes heat very well. It does not shed. Okay, it does not tangle. The only thing that I feel like this is not a bad thing. The unit is super big head friendly. So I did have to go through and Wakanda Forever her in the back just so she would lay properly. And I also suggest, because although there are 3 clips at the top and 1 at the bottom, it isn't any more secure than that. So I would definitely go through and add some bobby pins just to make sure mother is held down. So I know I told y'all sis was $138. Okay, I know. But I have a code for you guys, and I'm going to leave it in the description box for some coins off. We got to make sure mother is worth it, okay? Because she is giving me Foxy Brown, and I'm a whole lot of woman. She is giving me Jackie Brown. You know what I mean? That's who she's giving me. Like, and I'm really feeling empowered, and like I need to karate chop somebody in the name of the law, okay? So I'm going to just continue to curl this up and get this unit all the way together. So I love this unit. This unit is absolutely positively my hair. I did add a little bit of heat to her. I just wanted to give her a bump, see what she would do or whatever. And she came through. I think that if you really are looking for a style that's just effortless and you just blow dry your hair and you just want to throw it on and go, this is the way to go. Okay? Like, absolutely. And it's good to have a human hair unit like this because you can whenever you need to throw her up and then you're done. You're ready to go. This actual install only took like 3 minutes, and I just went through and played with her for a bit so you guys can see, ooh, sorry guys, how effortlessly she looks. And I must say, Beauty Forever Hair done came through. Okay, Beauty Forever Hair, we see you. You want the brown girl? Listen, this ain't my hair. Y'all can't tell me nothing. This is my hair. And I love it. I love big, thick hair. This reminds me of my older sister hair. She just has this big, beautiful mane. And I ain't got nothing else to say, y'all. This is everything. Everything. Look at this. This is my hair. Come through with the Upart Beauty Forever hair. Come through. Now, I'm going to leave a link. I know this unit is a little bit more expensive than we used to. A discount code in the bio. So you guys can get some coins off this cute little unit. And I hope to see you guys later. Tell me what y'all thinking. Who am I serving up? Because I'm feeling like Foxy Cleopatra. And I'm a whole lot of woman. And I'll see you guys later. Bye.